your whiteboards and your expo markers, it should look just like mine. Are we taking the cap off? No, we're going to leave it on, just like my pen. Okay, so go ahead and take out your whiteboard and your expo marker. Sorry. Oh, and your eraser. Of course, your eraser. Thank you for keeping your pens closed. There's our whiteboard. Great job. Okay. So, you should already know how to do this problem, right? But you can write it on your board, and you're going to solve it on your own. Go ahead and do that now. Joanna, get started. Very good. Go ahead and solve right there. Once you're done, your cap is back on your pen, showing me that you've solved.
Lizzie, look way too many mistakes. It's so crowded, it's so crowded.
Very good. Can someone raise their hand and tell me what the answer to this problem is? Aaron,
Wait, so do you want me to do it or just tell you that?
just tell me the answer for now.
26.
26. Can I get a thumbs up if you got 26? Awesome, Mila, can I see you? Okay, so let's go through it, Mila. What's 3 minus 7? Can we do this? No, so what do we do? Regroup. So where am I going to get my 10 from? Aiden's the 10 place. So I'm going to cross out here and put what number? 4. Now what do I do? Very good. What's 13 minus 7? 6. And what's 4 minus 2? So 26. All right, let's erase our boards. So we should be okay with this so far. That was just a little review. Today we're going to learn how to subtract with 3-digit numbers. Oh, our caps are on. Aaron, Joanna, cap on. Thank you. So, we've learned how to do 3-digit numbers with just the ones place. So, let's write this problem on our boards and solve. David, where's the board? Let's see, let's get started. This is just a quick review before we get started with a new lesson. Bless you. Very good. All right, who can help me solve this problem? Ethan, how do I solve this problem?
The number is in the bottom is 323.
323. So what's 9 minus 6, Aiden?
3.
3. So we always start in the ones place, right? And then in the tens place, it's 5 minus 3.
2.
2. Very good. What's 4 minus 1, Aiden?
3.
323. Can I see a thumbs up if you got it right? 9. Let's read our essential question. When do you regroup tens in subtraction? Let's highlight that. We're highlighting. Okay. We're going to put a big X through this page. We normally don't do it. We're just going to skip on ahead to page 310. We're looking at this purple box called, it says model and draw. Aiden, page 310. Looking at this, you can cross it off. All right, friends, looking at the screen or looking on your own page, model and draw. We are going to look at 354 minus 137. Yes, Ernest. You can get in a pencil. All right, so is there enough to subtract enough ones to subtract 7? How many ones are there right now? 4. And how many do they want to subtract? 7. Can we do this? We can't. No, we only have 4 right now. So what did they do? They came to the tens place and said, hey, I'll take 1 10. So we crossed out the 5, and that left us with 4. Brought 10 over. So now how many do we have? 14. Let's write over that. So we can make sure. So no, we don't. You're doing what I'm doing, please. All right, so we came, crossed out 5, and we have 4. Came over to 4, and then we have 14. Now, your eyes are on your paper or you're looking at the screen. Now, there are enough ones to subtract in the ones place, correct? What's 14 minus 7? 7. And then coming down here, what's 4 minus 3? 1. And did we have to do anything to the hundredth place? No. What's 3 minus 1? 2. Maybe let's sit up, please. All right, let's look at number 1. Are there enough ones? Are there enough ones in number 1 to subtract 6 from 1? No. So what should we do? Amanda, what should I do?
Take a 10 from the
Okay, so I'm going to cross off the 3, and what's my new number? 2. All right, in my ones place. Is there? So what am I going to do here? And 11. I like that. So friends, what's 11 minus 6? 5. What's 2 minus 2? 0. What's 4 minus 3? 1. What's my final answer? 105. 105. We're on number 2 now. Let's look at number 2. Are there enough ones right here? So 8 subtract 7, can we do that?
Yes.
We can. What is 8 minus 7?
1.
How about in my tens place?
2.
There's enough, right? Oh my gosh, they are so nice to us. And what's 6 minus 2?
4.
Okay, thumbs up if you feel confident, you feel good. I can do this on my own. Sideways thumb, I'm not quite sure. And thumbs down, I need some help. Oh, I like all these thumbs up. Very good. Okay, what you're going to do is is on page 311. You're going to do 3 through 9. If you get done with that, you can move on to 312 and do 10, 11. I will be walking around. If you need help, please just raise your hand. But this is independent. If you need help, I will absolutely help you. Yes, Erin?
Can you turn them in the back when we're done?
No, you're not, because we're going to go over the answer, so you can just leave them at your name tag, okay? Yes, Josh. Oh, you're just ready. Oh, I like it. All right, go ahead and get started. Thank you, Josh. 42 bells. Are we worried about bells? No. No. Are we worried about bells? Yes. And do what? Keep going. You subtract them, but we're going to try to find how many books are together, right? So what do you do if you have one how many are together? And then do what with this one? Can you do it first and then try, okay? There's 235 whistles, and 42 bells. When you count the 120 horses on the shelf, how many is it on the shelf? I'm saying worried about 42 bells. Very good. All right, friends, let's take another couple minutes and get as far as you can. So you got that? Okay, so now there are 100 books left. How many books are left? Okay, so what do you think we'll do with this? Try that. This. 421. Because we added those together, right? So then what? So we figured this out, right? So now what number do we get to subtract from? We already looked at those numbers. What is this number? So we need to figure out that number. Hold on, Mary, I'll be right there. So 421 minus what? We don't know how many books are left, right? Okay, so we figured out how many are together. And these were sold. So how many were left? When we figure that out. Okay, so what number are we going to say? What number are we going to use over here? We already have this number, but which number are we going to use here? We have that number, we need to subtract something. Which is that number. Okay, I want you to try your best and we'll go over it together, okay? So you just solve this problem. You just solve this problem first before you can answer it. This one. Okay. Okay, let's get page 311 in front of us, please. Please take out a red pen. Okay, we'll go over We're ready to go over it, okay? Read it with me. So, page 311. Your red pen. Okay, Samantha, go away, please. If you get one wrong, you can just circle the number that you got wrong. We'll go over it together. Number 3 on page 311 is 621. So number 3 is 621. Number 4 is 236. Number 5 is 727. Number 6 is 340. Number 7 is 418. Number 8 is 532. Number 9 is 226. That was a tricky one. We were going to go over that one for sure. 262, I apologize. 262. That's my fault. All right, on the back, on 312, if you got to it. Number 10 was 107. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, there should be no talking. We're still looking over our answers. Number 11 was 219 students. And for the yeses and nos, subtract 100 from 326 is yes. Regroup 110 as 10 ones is yes. Regroup the hundreds is no. Subtract 7 ones from 16 ones is yes. And add 26 plus 10 is no. All right. Let's look at number 9 first.
Wait, Miss Nathan.
Yes.
This is actually not true. It says 107.
There's too much talking. I cannot hear my friend Larry.
And over here is first 326, and then it says to take away 107. So it's actually wrong. And you can't take 107 away from 326.
Yes, you can. You can take 100. You did it right up here. 326 minus 107.
Yeah, but it's
That was the correct way. I know it looks opposite, but that was the correct way. I don't know. That's just the way they set it up. All right, we'll go over it, Larry. Looking at number 9, please. Looking at number 9. Let's read together, please. Class,
yes.
we need to be looking at number 9 on page 311. Let's read the problem together. There were 287 music books and 134 science books in the store. After some books were sold, there are 159 books left. How many books were sold? Okay, there's a lot of information in this one. Yes, Ernest? Well, please do not do that. We should not have red pens out right now. We can cap them. And you can look up here. books. And 134 science books. Joanna, pen away. In the store. After some books were sold, there are 159 books. Sitting up, Joanna. Sit up, Joanna. Okay, so what should my first step be? This was really, really tricky. Yes, Amanda?
Add 287 plus 134.
And why do we do this? Because we want to know together how many books. Did it say just how many music books were sold?
No.
No. Did it say how many science books were sold?
No.
No, it just said books. So together we need to figure out how many books are there. All right. So it's 7 plus 4. Friends?
11.
Thank you. Where am I going to carry my 1? 10. What's 8 plus 3?
9.
11. 8 plus 3.
11.
Plus 1.
12.
Thank you. I'm going to carry my other 1. What's 2 plus 1? 3 plus 1.
4.
421. Now, I know how many books are here. So I'm going to rewrite 421 to give myself more room. Now, it wants to know there are some books that are sold. And there are only 159 books left in the store. What am I going to do? Joshua, what am I going to do?
310 on the last problem is the same answer.
Are we looking at 310? No, we're looking at 311. 421, what are we going to do next, friends? Mila.
We're going to subtract 159 from 421.
Yes, we are. Because, so now we know how many books we have, which is 421 in the store. But it wants to know after some were sold and they only have 159 books left in the store. So we're going to take how much we know was in the store and how many are going to be left. So, can I take 1 away from 9? Or 9 away from 1, I'm sorry.
No.
No. Can I take 5 away from 2?
No.
No, I can't. I have to go all the way over to my 100 place and borrow from them. I'm going to take the 4, turn it into a 3. That's just my 100th place. Next, I'm going to go to my 10th place. There's 2 there. I'm going to take
You're going to put
11 there because I still need to come over to my 1's place and subtract.
this line.
Yes.
Put a 1. I think you should put a 1. And then they'll because you have to
So
cross out the 2 and put
I'll
the
show
1
you.
there.
I'll show you. Ready? So I would have had 12, correct? From my 2. I brought over 100 to my 10's place. That gives me 12. But I still need a 10 for my 1's place. Because can I subtract 9 from 1? No.
I'm just saying you should put a 1. Little because you always start with the 1. So you just cross out the 2.
But we went all the way over to the 100's place. And we borrowed from that, right? So we have a 3, and now we have 12, right? So now I need to take another 1 away, so now I have 11 and 10. So what's 10 minus 9? 1. No. How's that?
2. It's a 2.
It is 11. I'm sorry. That's my bad. What's 11 minus 9? I just confused you all. 2. What's 11 minus 5?
6.
What's 3 minus 1?
2.
262. I just made that so much more confusing than it needed to be. I apologize. Divyanshi? Do you have a question? No? Okay. This is really confusing, and this is just a Think Smarter. So this is going to the next lesson. It was just testing you to see if you knew how to do it already. It's just testing you to see if you know how to do the next lesson already. Let's look on the back. Number 10. Let's read together. There are 235 whistles. And 42 bells in the store. Ryan counts 128 whistles on the shelf. How many whistles are not on the shelf? Okay, so are we worried about this 42 bells?
No.
Does it want to know anything about bells?
No.
Nope, it's trying to trick you. So, what should I do? Mila, what should I do?
You should put down 235 minus 128.
128, because I want to know how many whistles are still on the shelf. So, Aina, what can I do? Okay, where? So am I going to put a 2 here? And what about my 5? 15. What's 15 minus 8? 2 minus 2. 2 minus 1. 107. Okay. How do we feel? Great. Ishmael, how are we doing? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Ernest, that should be flat on the desk. Fabulous. I love hearing you're fabulous. All right. Go ahead and leave those on your name tag. I'm going to come around and staple them. And oh, friends. Okay. We're going to do a little checkpoint. I'm going to hand this out. You're going to put your name, your number, and the date, and meet me in the den. Okay? Can I see table captains? Don't worry about it. Yes. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Here, we talked about it yesterday. We can talk about it again later. Joanna, that's I have one for you. Joanna, that needs to go on your name tag, please. Aiden, what are my directions? What are my directions right now? You bring it with you, please. Miley, what are my directions right now? Yours is right here. I have your name, number, and date. Okay. All the way down here. How do I name, number, and date on this? Mary, please sit down. We're on our bottom. Joanna, please join us. Walt, please join us. Thank you, Arna, for giving me a level 0. Aiden, come sit on your bottom, please. Okay, I need a level 0, please. Alright, so we have our name, our number, and our date. So this is just to see where you guys are. I want to see if you understand the information. Joanna, please sit down. I want to see if you know the information. So this is just what we learned today. It's nothing new. And on the back, we have one word problem. And at the bottom, who recognizes these two problems? Who recognizes? Sparta, where do you know these from? Like a previous lesson, maybe? Yeah? So these were really, really challenging for us. We need to practice them. So we're going to put 2 there just as a little challenge. If you don't get it, it's okay, but you have to do this completely on your own. I can't answer any questions unless you don't understand a word, maybe. This is completely on your own. When you're done with this, you'll turn this in on the back table. There's already a blue folder made for you, where you'll turn this in, and it's written on the board, a checkpoint in blue. Yes, Joshua?
What about if you don't get the question on the side?
The question on the back, I can read it to you, but I can't help you solve. So this is what I want you, I want to see what you know on your own. Okay? Yes, Mila. So, because it's just the way it was copied. Any other questions? Yes, Devyanshi.
Why is this looking like an A?
Those are E's. So if you have trouble reading it, I will happily come and read it for you. Yes, Ishma. I did. I know, it looks a little different from the board writing. Yes, Joshua.
What, in the name, why does it say baby?
Huh?
Why does it say baby?
Oh, because the N was cut off when it was printed. It's okay. You don't need to know anything else.
What
It looks like a V because the N was cut off, and that's okay. Friends, if you don't have a question, you should not be talking right now. Samantha, you should not be talking right now. Yes,
Do you have to like write the words and leave the language in your mouth?
no, I wrote it. That's okay. Okay, any other questions before we get started? While you're taking this, I will be coming around and stapling your work and taking it from you. Ernest. So, let's go back to our seats and get working, please. Please turn it in a blue folder that's already in the back. There should be no talking. This is independent. I come around and getting your math work. When you're done, I'm going to hand out your Cinquain writing, and you'll cut it out. It's already circled for you. I'll show you.